Hey everyone, welcome to the Tenorshare PDNob channel. You need to convert a PDF, maybe a scanned document, a report, or an invoice, into an editable format like Word, Excel, or even an image. But not all converters are created equal. Some mess up the formatting, others can't handle scanned files, and many require you to upload your documents online. In this video, I'll show you the best PDF converter for Windows, including a free built-in option using Google Docs, and a more powerful solution with Tenorshare PDNob, which comes with built-in OCR and supports multiple output formats. First, let's look at a popular free option, Google Docs. The process is simple. Upload your PDF to Google Drive. Then, right-click the file or open it in Viewer and go to Open With and select Google Docs. Google will automatically attempt to convert the PDF into editable text. You can then copy that text or download it as a Word document. The pros of this method are its accessibility. It's completely free and requires no extra software installation. It's easy for simple text-based PDFs. However, the limitations are significant for anything beyond basic use. It offers very limited output formats, mainly Word or plain text. Its OCR accuracy is inconsistent for scanned PDFs, often struggling with layout. Formatting frequently breaks, tables collapse, columns disappear, and images may be misplaced. It also doesn't support batch conversion and requires an internet connection, posing a privacy concern for sensitive files. For a robust, all-in-one solution that works offline, you need a dedicated converter with strong OCR. This is where Tenorshare PDNob excels on Windows. Here's how it works. Launch PDNob and click Open PDF to load your file. This can be a regular PDF or a scanned image-based one. Go to the Convert menu, select OCR, and then choose your desired output format: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, JPG/PNG, and more. On the OCR menu, select the document language for best OCR accuracy. Then click Convert. PDNob will process the file and export it in your chosen format, preserving the original layout, tables, and fonts. The advantages are clear. It features built-in, high-accuracy OCR specifically for scanned PDFs. It supports a wide range of output formats in one tool. It does an excellent job preserving layout, tables, and images. It supports fast batch conversion of multiple files at once. And most important, it works fully offline, keeping your sensitive documents secure on your own computer. The trade-off is that it requires installation, and while its core conversion features are powerful, accessing the full suite of advanced tools requires a license. So, which PDF converter should you choose? If you only need a quick one-time conversion of a simple text PDF and don't mind potential formatting issues, Google Docs might be enough. But if you regularly work with scanned documents, need multiple output formats, value formatting accuracy, or require offline security, then Tenorshare PDNob is clearly the better, more professional choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please give the video a like. For a link to try PDNob, check the description. Thanks for watching.